Thought I'd do a jump scare to start this video. Ugly bathroom. Oh my goodness. So I thought today's video we might do something a little different. Well, you guys seem to, when I look back at past views, you like to go along and like on day in the life, you like to see what's going on. So I'm just gonna film throughout this week some of the different things that are going on. I'm in here in my bathroom getting ready. I'm gonna be waking Jason up in a little bit. We have some running around we need to do, but we also have something very interesting that we have to do that I do plan to make a whole video about it, probably over on Jason's channel. But this morning, before he eats and drinks, I'm going to do, well, it's technically not swabbing, you spit, but a genetic test for him. And we hope to gain a little bit more insight on things that are going on with Jason and his dementia journey. So that's gonna be interesting. So I just thought maybe you guys might wanna come along with us. I'm getting ready to do my little lip stain, and then finish getting ready. This is how we're gonna start this video. This is what we're gonna be doing. I hope you'll follow along and we have some fun together. I have some recipes I'm doing for you today, and Jason's cooking today. Let's see, family's coming over. Kelsey and the boys are coming over. So I think it's gonna be a good day, but I also have a lot going on in the background that has my mind like a million miles away, and so it's hard to stay focused on what I need to be doing. So let's go get this day started. Look at you. Oh, you're so snuggly. But you don't want to go out in the rain, do ya? Whoa. While Jason's still sleeping, I'm gonna make myself some quick breakfast. Do you guys ever eat the egg bites from Sam's Club? The little egg white bites? I like these. So I'm on a kick of them right now. Been mixing it up because normally I eat like egg beaters and yogurt. I'm like, okay, gotta do something different this week. I'm getting bored.
Good morning, team. exciting times today. We are doing something.
All right, I just want to make sure. I read this last night. I just want to make sure we're doing this right. Spit into the funnel until the amount of liquid.
Oh my gosh, you're not gonna have to fill that up, am I?
Here's your fill line.
Oh, what?
Okay. I'm just gonna let you know right now.
You're not gonna stand here, are you? She's gonna have to go somewhere else because this is...
Okay, well, here's the best part. This is about me and being a nurse. I can do your poop. I can do your puke. I can't do spit. I hate it.
All right, just give me this.
No, wait. Okay. Spit into the funnel until the amount of liquid reaches the fill line, not bubbles.
Oh my gosh. You guys are...
Okay.
Well, I thought it was cheek swab.
I thought we were cheek swabbing too. But then okay, hold the tube upright with one hand and then close it with the other until you hear a loud click. Okay, so I'm gonna let you do that part. I'm probably gonna shut off the camera so people don't see you, and then we'll come back.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No, all right. Well, that was awful, right?
Yeah.
Jason already chokes and gags so easy. That was gross. So he went to go get cleaned up. And then we'll have some coffee and let him get woke up appropriately. You want to tell everybody what you did with all that vomiting you were doing earlier?
Apparently What's that?
It's a microphone. You can just hold it.
Apparently I strained or tore or something with and it hurts like the dickens.
He's had ibuprofen, he's got a heating pad, he's resting, he can't move.
I cannot move. It feels like I'm getting stabbed in my rib cage.
Oh.
And not like lightly stabbed. We're talking like a Charles Manson kind of attack.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Okay, well, since everyone got to come along for the ride a little while ago, I thought I'd update them and let them know how you're doing.
Yeah.
Good luck. I'm gonna sit here, do some work, edit some videos. I like to hang out here in the kitchen a lot of times while he's out there sleeping instead of like going off to my office, or sometimes I can sit in there on the couch. I don't want to sit in there on the couch because that always makes me sleepy. We don't have time for that. I think I get sleepy because of my immune condition, and I just feel like I need a nap like every day. You know, I'm pretty open about my immune deficiency and all that goes along with that. Well, one of the things that I struggle with is I have massive sinus issues, ear issues, and so I'm really wanting to find a new ENT doctor, and that's exhausting. I feel like calling offices, seeing who takes new patients, do they take my insurance? What do people, what kind of reviews do they have? So when ZocDoc reached out to me to sponsor today's video, it made a lot of sense to me. So ZocDoc is a free app and website where you can go on and you can search for specialists, doctors, you can read reviews, you can see what insurance they take. It's just a free app that's like super convenient for helping you find that specialist or that doctor that you're needing. What I really enjoy is I can sit there and I can look through all the different ENT doctors. I can read the actual patient reviews so I can hopefully find someone that fits for what I'm looking for. And appointments can happen pretty fast, usually 24 to 72 hours, but if they have an opening that day, it shows, and you can hop in and get one of those if it's available. They have over 150,000 providers. You can use it for more than just finding like a primary care doctor. You can use it for dentistry, like dermatology, all kinds of different specialty areas. Anything that helps simplify taking care of your health, I can appreciate. Because if you're like me, I have a tendency to put these appointments off way too long. So if there's an appointment you've been needing to make, this is your sign to do so. Head on over to ZocDoc. You're going to want to check this free service out. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box. Taking care of your health just got easier. And thank you, ZocDoc, for sponsoring today's video. Knock, knock.
Uh-oh.
Hi.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble now.
You are in trouble now. What are you guys doing? Okay, I don't have my microphone on, but I went to the FedEx drop-off at Walgreens here, and they were like, we can't take that one because that's saliva. You have to go to these certain ones. So now I have to go to a whole different place to drop it off, and I'm trying to be quick. It's kind of ruining my vibe here, but all right, off we go. All right, you're gonna get a little behind the scenes action here. We're getting ready to film an Instagram reel. I usually put them on Facebook. Sometimes I put them on here on YouTube as shorts. So I got this cookbook, that's my oven, it's ready. 101 things to do with a cake mix. So my neighbor gave me this, and we're gonna do the upside down German chocolate cake. So Jason loves German chocolate cake, and the poor guy, he's had it rough lately. So we're gonna do something a little special for him, and then this is gonna be our dessert. And I think it'll be so tasty if we make this German upside down chocolate cake and then serve it with butter pecan ice cream and maybe like a drizzle of either like caramel or maybe chocolate syrup. I don't know. We'll see what I end up having and what we could put over the top. But I have these two microphones on. These microphones go to the camera. These go to my phone that's right here. So maybe I'll just insert the reel so you don't have to sit here and watch multiple things. But this recipe, I will say, I have made it in the past and it is so good. I highly recommend it if you want to do something a little bit different and really easy for a German chocolate cake. So let's get started. It just sounded like I was starting the video. If you want to make a fast, yummy dessert, this is the one that I would make. First up, make a German chocolate cake mix according to the package directions. Okay, quick pause. We're going to go pick up Hudson really quick from school for Kelsey. She has a little napping dilemma with Cooper, so we're going to go run and get that. I'm going to finish this cake when I get back, so we're going to go do that. I'll be right back. Look at this, it's happening. Not what we expected today, but we're super excited. So cool. All marked off, ready to go. This is gonna be so exciting. Pool will be here in a little bit. let's talk a little bit about the pool that's going in. I'm so excited to have something to look forward to because you guys know with this dementia journey, it's starting to feel a little bit like a prisoner in here in this home. Not literally, but Jason just does not enjoy going out. Vacations are really difficult. Although we do have a vacation we are thinking of trying to take later this year, and we'll see if we can pull it off and if it all works out. But the main thing is we're trying to bring the vacation to us. This will help friends and family to come over, and it'll help us to have a little entertainment. It'll bring a lot of joy. So we had a pool for years and years and years and years. And I always enjoyed taking care of it. People think that's weird, but I did. I loved taking care of it, and I was the one who took care of it. So it isn't like it's really anything different for me. I am really excited that this one's in ground and that it has an automatic pool cover, one for safety, for my grandkids and for my pets. And then I'm not too concerned about Jason. We'll address more of that maybe over on his channel and get into all the nitty gritties of that. But I'm really excited. We're doing salt water this time. We used to have chlorine, so I'm excited about doing salt water. And more than anything, I'm just excited to every day not just feel like I'm here working. I would love to just go relax in the pool and have some just downtime a little bit more in life. So stay tuned. All right, this is where we're gonna wrap this video up. I am exhausted. It has been a long day. I'm surprised that they're still digging and working away out here. But this video ended up going away. I did not expect. I did not know we were gonna get into all this pool stuff, but it's been so fun. So stay tuned. I can't wait to show you the entire build and how much fun this is gonna be. So we'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.